G'day cocktail lovers. I recently picked up this bottle of Calvados. It's been aged for 5 years. If you're not familiar, Calvados is French apple brandy. I got it on a great price. If you know me, if I see a bargain, I find it very hard to resist. This was like a distributor's closed down sale. Got it half price. I thought, I'll give it a punt. I don't know this one. And it just smells divine. I compared it to some other brandies, including another Calvados. And besides the fruit flavors being richer, it's got floral notes that the other ones don't have, and it's really picked up some oakiness from the barrels being in there a bit longer than a lot of the apple brandies are. And so when I tasted that, I immediately thought old fashioned, and this will pair really well with my spiced apple brown sugar syrup, which, if you're unfamiliar with, should check my channel, because I still maintain that's one of the best things I've ever made. It's absolutely incredible. I'm making an old fashioned with this, and that means it's pretty straightforward. In the mixing glass, I put 2 ounces of the Calvados, then about 1/3 ounce, around 10 mils, 2 bar spoons of my spiced apple brown sugar syrup, and then just 1 dash of angostura bitters. Then gave that a good stir for about 20-25 seconds, so it's chilled and diluted. Straight it into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice, and my favourite garnishes, particularly for an old-fashioned, an orange peel and a maraschino cherry on a skewer. And here we have our apple old-fashioned. Give it a taste. Well, this is a really good mid-ground between an old-fashioned made with a standard apple brandy and a whiskey one, because the extra time in the barrel has really picked up some added depth of flavour, but it's got a real fruitiness that a whiskey usually won't have. I really like this. I'm glad I bought the Calvados on spec, and it's turned out well. It's a successful experiment. This is a nice addition to my old-fashioned repertoire. I really enjoy it, and if you have a chance to try something similar, I hope you enjoy it too. But whatever you're doing, I hope you take care, and I do hope I see you again soon. Until such time, I will say, cheers!